Welcome to my channel, Make Learning a Joy. Friends, welcome to my channel, Make Learning a Joy. So, 1-minute experiment which we can do in school and at home also. Today I am going to demonstrate a water experiment. For that we need a ruler and a transparent glass and a toy and some water. First, I'm gonna put half of the water into the glass and place the ruler on the top of the glass and place my tortoise turn in the edge of the ruler. See, now it's falling. Now I'm gonna put full water. Now I'm gonna place the ruler on top of it and place my tortoise doll at the edge of the ruler. See, now it's not falling. It's because of water molecules stick together and form a thin layer on the surface. It's called as water